Bonjour, Year 5. Our topic for today's lesson is Les Vacances, Part 11. Use your headphones for best experience. Our learning objective is: can I express the items that I would take in my suitcase during holidays? Success criteria: grow. I can recognize and memorize key French vocabulary. Flourish. I can link sentences on variety of items in my suitcase. Succeed. I can adapt and create sentences on clothes that I would take during holidays. Pour commencer, we are going to be learning some new vocabulary and do a bit of recap of the ones that we've learned earlier. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What does that mean? It means, what is this? Here are some of the items that we would take during our holidays. Let's look at that. Un livre, un short, des écouteurs, de la crème solaire, un maillot de bain, du shampoing, une serviette. Je répète, un livre, un short, des écouteurs, de la crème solaire, un maillot de bain, du shampoing, une serviette. There could be many other things that you would be taking on a holiday, like you could take a shirt, you could take trousers, you could take dresses, you could take skirts, and all of that. But I would like to remind you that we have done clothes vocabulary earlier this year. If you kind of try to recollect those words, that would be really helpful for this lesson. Faites correspondre le vocabulaire. Let's try to match the words, the French words, with the English ones. Let me help you with the first one. Un short. What does that mean? Can you guess? Yes, you're right. It means shorts. And the rest of it, I'm just going to read it out to you and you are going to find it by yourself. Un maillot de bain, une serviette, de la crème solaire, du shampoing, un livre, des écouteurs. Je répète, un short, un maillot de bain, une serviette, de la crème solaire, du shampoing, un livre, des écouteurs. Please pause it right over here so that you could try to match the vocabulary. All right? Now, hope you've completed your work. Let's find out the correct answers and self-assess. Faites correspondre le vocabulaire. Un short, which means shorts. Un maillot de bain, a swimming costume. Une serviette, a towel. De la crème solaire, sun cream. Du shampoing, shampoo. Un livre, a book. Des écouteurs, earphones. Let's take up a bit of challenge here. Think of 5 more items you might pack for a holiday. Use the dictionary or wordreference.com to find them in French. Let's do a bit of recap of what we did last few weeks. Le futur proche. Let me explain to you once again. Futur proche, it's near future tense when you say what you are going to do. All right. It is one of the easiest tenses because you just need to know a couple of keywords, then add the infinitive, which you can find in the dictionary or wordreference.com. All right. Je vais, I'm going. On va, we're going. We did this last week, if you remember. And let me give you a few examples of it. I'm going to take a towel. Je vais prendre une serviette. Je vais is I'm going. Prendre is to take. Une serviette, a towel. I'm going to wear shorts. Je vais porter des shorts. Je vais is I'm going. Porter is to wear. Des shorts is shorts. I hope you understood how je vais with the infinitive together makes a beautiful future proche sentence, near future tense sentence. Hope you remember what we've done last week on this future proche. Let's move on to our last task. Our final task is Dans ma valise. Can you guess what it means? Yes, you're right. It means in my suitcase. Dans ma valise. In my suitcase. So, what could possibly be in your suitcase while you're going on a holiday? Yes, some great items that we learned today, and also some clothes. Yeah, let's see what our final task is all about. On a sheet, draw at least 12 items that you might pack for a holiday. There are only 7 words discussed in this lesson for help. Label each item in French, which means you would be labeling all the 12 items that you have drawn and colored. All right. There are only 7 words that we've discussed in this lesson. The other ones could be the other clothes that you could find from the dictionary or from wordreference.com or just recollect from what we have done earlier in this year. We have definitely done clothes lesson this year. Write few sentences saying what there is in your suitcase. So you would start your sentence by saying Dans ma valise, il y a, which means in my suitcase there is. A is and you already know these connectives. So you're going to start your sentence with Dans ma valise, il y a and complete your sentence. In between you could add il y a aussi or il n'y a pas de. You could say you have, you don't have, all of this. And then write what you will be taking for your holiday or wearing in your holiday, which means after that you would write something like this, which is given in the example. Je vais porter, I'm going to wear. And you could also write sentences with je vais prendre, I'm going to take. Some items you may take and some you would be wearing it. So you could use these sentences to write your own. Finally, you may add color to your work and post it on Teams. All right. It would be definitely a short paragraph because you're writing what is there in your suitcase and then what you're going to wear and what you're going to take. So it's going to be a short paragraph. All right. You need not write different sentences. You could put all the sentences together and make a short paragraph. All right. And finally, upload your work on Teams. Don't forget it. And remember to tag me. Follow our YouTube channel, Easy French at GFS. Like, share, and subscribe our channel so that you get instant notifications whenever we publish any new lessons. Au revoir.